Hey there, YouTube. I just want to do a real quick explanation of how I moved my window washer fluid reservoir tank for my 1999 Lx470, kind of like a landcruiser. I was having, here's the new tank, I was having rubbing issues up under here. That's where the old tank was. You can see the pieces that went there. Here's the hoses that went to it. And here's all the things that were plugged into it, electronics and hoses. I just kind of stuffed them up here. I didn't have to cut any hoses or splice any wires. Everything just pushed up and under this way. And I was able to slide my battery over ever so slightly. And I just dropped this washer fluid reservoir in here. It's just an aftermarket. I got it. I mean, any auto shop, auto parts place will have this little reservoir. It's actually a coolant return reservoir. Super simple, super cheap. I think they're $8. And all I did was drill some holes. I figured out the right sizes of the holes. I Hate Mud's got a few. Got my post on there that talks about the size of spade bit I used, and just careful drilling with the spade bit. I messed one up, so I had to get a second one. There's 3 holes you need, and I offset them, all 3 on this front side. Fill is here. It's a lot smaller than the old one, but I'm not using that much fluid anyway. You can see this has been driving around, bumping around. I didn't even put the bracket on. It's just sitting here wedged in here, but you know, where's it gonna go? And yeah, it's a great spot for it. I mean, if you had an extra huge battery, you're gonna have a trouble there. You'd probably have to find another place to mount it, maybe, you know, that kind of location or way back there. Then you're gonna have to move hoses this way. It just slid right there. There's actually a little bit more room. I think that, what size battery am I using here? 24 AGM. Anyway, that's what I did to move my washer reservoir since my wheel was rubbing on it, since I got these 325s. I was having some trouble. 6518s. I'm still getting a tiny bit of rub here on this fender. I'm thinking about doing a little cut and maybe some kind of flare deal. The back has been fine. I do have a 1-inch sensor lift going on this thing. I'm gonna do some more lifting to this, another inch or so, probably using the spacers, the shock spacers for the lift, and extended sway bar links to get a little bit more, but otherwise, yeah, that's a quick and dirty as far as how to put move the washer fluid reservoir. That one worked for me, and so I hope that helps somebody else. Awesome.